In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with a space character. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those space characters are appended with number character. Number characters are gradually decreasing line by line 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here all the alphabet characters are appended with single space character. Let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. Print this character. These characters are gradually increasing from 0 to 4 and the space character is appended with alphabet character. Here 65 is as given the form capital A plus I, which is going to print A, then B, then C, then D and E. Those alphabet are appended with a single space character. Here in the first line 5 A's are there. 5 minus I, which is going to 5, which is going to print 5A, then 4B, then 3C, then 2D and 1E. So run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.